Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is cryptodad. In this video, we show us how to claim the 5,000 worth of the MetaUFO token on Trust Wallet. So I'll be showing us how to claim this particular amount of the MetaUFO token on Trust Wallet. So to claim this airdrop, you have to perform a task on Trust Wallet, and you also need to perform a task on Telegram. So I'll be showing us the full steps on how to claim this airdrop. And this airdrop presently is $700. So I'll be showing us the full steps on how to claim this airdrop. So to claim this airdrop, you have to make use of the Dapps. So we'll be performing a particular task on the Dapps, and also we'll be performing a particular task on Telegram. So we'll be clicking on the Dapps. So after you've clicked on the apps, so the next thing you have to do is you have to paste the airdrop link in this box. The airdrop link is in this video description, so you can just make use of the link in this video description. So I'll be pasting the link. I'll paste the link. I'll search for the link. So while you are searching for the link, you need to change this network from Ethereum. You need to change it to Smartchain. So I'll click on it. So I need to select the Smartchain. So I need to select this Smartchain. So I'll select Smartchain. So after you've changed the network from Ethereum to Smartchain, so the next thing you have to do, you see this particular pop-up message. So you need to click on the connect. So to connect your wallet to MetaUFO, so I'll click on connect. Immediately you've connected your wallet, the next thing you have to do is you have to click on this join airdrop. So you click on the join airdrop. So after you've clicked on the join airdrop, you will see the particular information here. The airdrop will be paid to you within 72 hours, and you'll be receiving 5,000 worth of the MetaUFO token. So the next thing you have to do is you have to get your verification code. So you have to go over to Telegram to perform a task and get your verification code. So after you've gotten your verification code, you need to paste it here. So after you've pasted, you need to click on this verify. So I'll be going over to Telegram to perform the task. So after you've gone over to your Telegram, so you need to click on this search button. So I'll click on search. After you've clicked on the search button, so we need to search for MetaUFO. So I'll be searching for MetaUFO. So MetaUFO bot. So I'll search for it. So I'll be seeing the MetaUFO boat, so I just have to click on this first one. So I'll be clicking on this first one. So after you've clicked on the boat, so the next thing you have to do is you have to perform the task. So that is by clicking on the start. So you click on the start. So after you've clicked on the start, so the next thing you have to do is you have to join the airdrop. So you'll be clicking on this join airdrop. So we'll click on join airdrop. So after clicking on the join airdrop, so you'll be seeing some tasks you have to perform. So you need to join their group, you need to join the MetaUFO group, you need to join the channel, and you also need to join their sponsor channel. So after that, you need to click on the next button. So I'll be joining their group right now. So I'll join group 2. I'll click on this. So I'll click on join. I'll join. So I'll go back. So I'll do the same thing for the channel. So I'll click on the channel. So I'll click on join. So I'll go back. So I'll do the same thing for the sponsor channel. I'll click on it. So I've already joined it. So I'll go back. So the next thing I'll be clicking on is I'll be clicking on the next button. So I'll click on next. So after clicking on the next button, so the next thing we have to do is we have to follow the MetaUFO on Twitter. We also need to tweet their pinned post, and we also need to like and comment on their sponsor Twitter. So I'll be going over to Twitter. I'll click on Twitter. So after you've clicked on your Twitter, so you just need to follow them. So you just need to comment. After you've commented, you need to retweet, and you also need to like. So after you've retweeted, so you just need to click on this share to copy your link. So I'll be retweeting. I'll click on it. So I'll retweet. So I'll be liking. I'll click on this. The next thing I have to do is I have to click on this share. So I'll click on the share to get my link. So I just need to click on the copy link. So after that, I need to go over to the bot to perform the remaining tasks. So I'll be clicking on this. I'll be pasting the retweet link. So I just need to click on this send. So I'll send it. So after you've submitted the retweeted link, so the next thing you'll be seeing is you'll be seeing the get code. So you just have to click on this get code. So you'll be clicking on the get code to get your verification code. So I'll click on the get code. So after clicking on the get code, you'll be seeing your verification code, so you just have to copy the code. So I'll just click on it to copy the code. So I'll be going back to Trust Wallet to perform the remaining tasks. The next thing I'll be doing here is I'll be pasting the verification code I copied from Telegram. So after I've pasted it, so I need to click on verify. So I'll paste it. So after that, I'll click on verify now. So after clicking on verify now, so you'll see this pop-up message. So the airdrop task has been completed, so you click on OK. So after you've clicked on the verify now and your code has been verified, so you'll be seen at this particular side, you'll be given 5,000 words of the MetaUFO token. So you just have to click on this claim to get the particular words of the token to your Trust Wallet. So I'll be clicking on the claim, so I'll claim it. So after I've clicked on claim, I'll be seeing this particular message that will pop up. So I'll receive the airdrop within 72 hours, but the airdrop will be sent within 2 hours, so I just have to wait for 2 hours. So you have to click on the done, so you have to click on OK. So I'll click on OK. So after you've claimed the coin, the next thing you'll be doing is you'll be adding the coin to your coin list. So I just have to click on this cancel, so I'll click on cancel. So I'll be going back. So I'll be adding the coin to my coin list, so I'll just go over to the wallet, so I'll click on wallet. So to add a particular coin to my coin list, so I just have to click on this button, so I'll click on the button. So next thing I'll do is I'll scroll down, so I just need to scroll down. So I'll be clicking on the add custom token, so I'll click on add custom token. So the next thing I'll be doing here is I'll be changing the network from Ethereum to Smartchain, and also I need to paste the coin contract address. So immediately I paste the coin contract address, the name, the symbol, and also the decimal will come up. So after I've done this, I just need to click on this done button. So I'll be pasting the coin contract address. So after I paste the contract address, so the name, the symbol, and also the decimal will come up. So I just have to click on this done, so I'll click on done. So I will receive 5,000 words of the token, which is presently $700. So you'll be able to sell this particular word of the token starting from June 28th. So you just have to wait till June 28th to be able to sell this particular words of the token. To earn more MetaUFO token, you just have to copy your referral link. So you have to share your referral link to your friends. So per referral, you'll be getting 2,000 words of the token. So guys, thanks for watching this video.